Hi friends, in this video we will see how to use RTI when we are applying for ICAI exam paper. So first of all, you will be liking this video because it's very very informative video. Please do subscribe to our channel AKS Krishnan. I'll be posting whatever doubts etc. If you have, you can WhatsApp me also 99405 I repeat 99405 and I am CA final as well as inter law and audit faculty. Now I also started taking EASSM. Now this RTA online. Please take a pen and paper, start writing. I'll be a little slow in this video because you have to start writing and you have to keep doing it. So you have to go to a website called rtionline.gov.in. This is the website. Then there is something called submit request. There is a tab word submit request tab. Then you have to read all the information there. Then you have to click the checkbox there and submit. Then it will go to the next screen. In that it will ask ministry under which you are asking for RTI. You have to select Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Then it will ask public authority. Then you have to write Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. So public authority ICAI. Then you have to write your name, gender, address, pin code, country, state. Then it will ask status. Then you can write rural or urban. Then it will ask you educational status. Then you should write literate. Then you can say even 12th standard passed. You can put mobile number, email ID. Then whether you are below poverty line, it will ask. Please put no. Then there is something called test for RTI. You have to give the supporting documents also, and there is a big box. You have to write some details there. In supporting documents attachment, you please attach your hall ticket, self-attested hall ticket. You have to attach. You please take a printout and put a signature, and you have to attach that. Then in that box, there is a box provided for it. Then what and all you should write in that box? Should write, dear sir, your name appeared for CA, say inter or final examination or foundation examination. Then you should write. I want to apply for my paper, my name, date of birth, then contact details like email ID, phone number, etc. Then your SRO number, then which exam you took, say intermediate or foundation or final, which attempt it is, like 2019 or November attempt or May attempt it is, then your roll number, then paper what you are applying for, paper number 1 or like that, then the name of the paper. Then you give declaration that whatever details I have given is true and best to my knowledge, like that you can give information. Then give submit to that. Then there will be some registration number which will be given to you. Then once you come to the home page, there is something called view status in the tab, like near to submit request tab, there is a view status tab. Click that view status tab. Then in that RTI number what you are getting, no application number you have to put, then your email ID you have to put, then you can see the captcha code and you have to put the captcha code. Then you can click that view status. See, when you are submitting, it's going to ask only 10 rupees from you. It's not more than 10 rupees, so it will be very useful for you. Keep seeing view status after 25th day. You start seeing the view status daily, once at least you go. Then if you need clarification, there is one Chief Information Officer also available, ICAI Chief Information Officer, 0120 305 4840. So this sir is helping students in getting their answer scripts in email. If you are not getting even beyond say 30-35 days, you can follow up with him. So I hope you like this video. This video is so informative. Please make sure when you are filling the so many details, some special characters and all, they will not allow when in the box they will not allow. So make sure that special characters you are not using. So try applying it. It's only 10 rupees cost. Just try apply. If you think you could have scored more, just check the luck. Let us see. So hope you like this video. Please do subscribe for the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.